Hong Kong Immigration Department Form ID888 is used for a travel pass application by a frequent visitor to the HKSAR. The application form itself is fairly straightforward, with only 5 sections requiring specific commentary, and these are the personal particulars in relation to current employment overseas, details of the last 3 visits to Hong Kong in the previous 12 months, all trouble-free, the specific reasons for a travel pass at this time, details of your Hong Kong referee and their support of the application, and the declarations required of a travel pass applicant. The majority of the personal particulars section of the form is relatively straightforward, but a condition precedent for the granting of a travel pass for business purposes is the continuing employment of the applicant back in his home country. Consequently, this part of the form is very important and should be completed in full. Our advice is to elaborate on the nature of this employment in your supporting communication, and we advise to also refer the same by writing in "Please see the accompanying letter." In the section detailing previous visits to Hong Kong, the headline information should be included, but the details should be recorded in the accompanying letter, so write here also, "Please see the accompanying letter." This is a vitally important part of the travel pass application, so in this section please write, "Please see the accompanying letter," in which you will have set out your argument for receipt of a travel pass. The referee should ideally provide a supporting letter for the applicant to include within his or her travel pass application bundle, and in such a case the applicant should include the words "Please see accompanying letter of support" in the section recording the name of the referee immediately after the name of the referee has been written on the form. And arguably the most important section on the ID888 form is the applicant's declaration, without which the application cannot proceed. There are 2 places to be signed by the applicant in this regard. The first is at the bottom of page 1, which attests to the correctness, completeness and truth of the information provided on that page, and then again on page 2, which initiates the formal part of the application process.